All right. Driver's side upper control arm. Check. Shims, everything ready to roll. Sanders got the new idler arm in. Just got to tighten it down and pin it.
It is pinned.
No, it's not.
Oh, yeah.
The nuts on it, but it's not pinned.
Yeah.
We have the center link getting cleaned up. The pitman arm's ready to go. We're getting there. We're moving through. Definitely on the move. Yeah, coming along. You watching me beat off?
Oh, yeah, I am.
All right. Whacking.
It's like everything we do, there's a bushing.
Yeah, pretty much. Ooh, look at that. Look at the rubber's like, I want out. He wants to go bye-bye.
You're really good at beating.
Yeah.
Fire.
We took care of that rubber and the inner bushing. Look, problem solver.
Oh, I didn't even realize that fell out.
Yeah. So now it's just the sleeve. So we'll just beat that in. Clean that hole up real good.
You look wonderful.
I look like a mess.
You look like a mad scientist.
Science!
Look at those bald spots.
Just whacking off. Ow. Get this right here. Taco it in and bloop. Out she goes. Bye-bye, birdie. Taco in, that's good. Sometimes you can get it to cut. It just comes right out. It just loses its, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
It's going. It's definitely going. What? Ding fries are done.
Touch it.
No, put your peen in it. Cool it down a little bit. I'll make sure it's got no burrs. Alright, we'll let that mellow out a little bit.
It's really strong back here.
Sorry. Still a little warm. Whoa. Alright. Pressing in our bushing. And then this will be ready to go on in the morning. I'll show you the finished result here. Done. Ready to go in the car.